In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record HSA contributions on Form 889 while using TurboTax for your 2022 Form 1040. Navigating through tax forms can sometimes feel overwhelming, but with the right guide, it becomes much easier. So let's get started and make sure you accurately report your health savings account contributions. First, you'll want to begin by visiting the official TurboTax website. You can do this by simply opening your web browser and typing in the URL. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to sign in. Look for the sign in button, usually found at the top right corner of the web page, and click on it. It's important to make sure you're logged into your account to access all your tax documents and previous filings. After successfully signing in, navigate over to your TurboTax homepage. Now on this platform, the layout is designed to be user-friendly, so you should be able to find your way around quite comfortably. What you need to do next is to click on the section labeled 2024 Taxes. Although this tutorial focuses on the 2022 Form 1040, the process starts with accessing your current tax tasks. Once you're in the 2024 Taxes section, locate the tab that says Federal and click on it. This is crucial because it categorizes your tax forms, making it easier to manage and correct any inputs made in previous steps pertaining to your federal taxes. Next, you'll want to proceed by clicking on Deductions and Credits. This part of TurboTax organizes your potential deductions and credits in a neat, structured way, ensuring no important step is overlooked. Following this, your next step is to click on the Medical section. This is where deductions related to your medical expenses, including any pertinent information to health savings accounts, will be addressed. When you arrive at the medical page, you should see an option that mentions HSA, MSA contributions, prescriptions, medical bills, and ACA insurance, commonly known as Form WEND95A. Proceed by selecting the option that particularly mentions HSA MSA contributions. This is key as it directs you straight to the part of the TurboTax software specifically designed to help you report these contributions accurately. The user interface guides you through each section, ensuring you fill out all required information. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of locating where to enter your HSA contributions using TurboTax. By understanding these steps, you're now equipped to tackle your taxes with a bit more confidence. Remember to review any entries you make for accuracy and completeness. Thank you for watching, and I hope this makes your tax filing process just a bit easier.